Hi, I'm Dustin Harper, Senior Project Manager for Harmon Construction. We're at the Friendly City Food Co-op. Let's take a look at the completed job. If you take a look at the front of the building, you can see that we cut in 3 additional windows that weren't here last time. We were able to cut that in the existing masonry. We added the awnings up top. They provide some shade and sun protection during the day. And we also toothed in the brick around the outside of those openings to make it look seamless. We also painted these columns and added some light fixtures outside. Let's go inside. Let's take a look at the new renovated area. If you remember, this area used to have the cashiers. Now all of that's disappeared, and if you want to follow me, I'll show you what we had to do to make way for this refrigeration equipment. While this was being constructed, we had to keep the cashier station open. We had to partition off this with plastic, and if you look below, you can see the different colors of concrete, and that is where we had to cut the concrete, demo it out, run plumbing piping, run electric, run refrigeration, all while the store was up and in operation. Let's keep going. When we turn the corner, you're gonna see the new bulk foods area. This area and the bulk foods section used to be on that demising wall, and we'll see that in a minute, but now has moved to this corner. This area used to be wine and beer. We had to demo all that equipment out. We had to patch the concrete floors where necessary and run new electric for the setup you see here. Turning the corner again, you could see this whole line of refrigeration equipment. That wasn't done the last time we showed you. Once again, there was a tremendous amount of refrigeration that was run, trenching, cutting concrete, and the thing that makes it the craziest is it all had to be done while the store was in operation. We worked late, we worked early to get this done to minimize the impact on customers. On the previous video, we talked about the bulkhead. Once again, like the whole project, we had to do this piece by piece, and we had to construct it in sections and essentially tie it together at the very end. So this bulkhead has a unique design. Didn't make it the easiest to construct, but it adds a cool architectural element. In this location, we had to take down the demising wall to make room for the beverage case. And just like everything with this project, there's a lot of spinning plates, a lot of coordination with Harmon, subcontractors, the co-op itself, and we all had to jump in to make sure that we got this done in a timely manner and be up and running for the customers when they came in the morning. We'll keep going and we'll take a look at the kitchen and the deli case. Now you can see it's fully functional, in operation, really expanded the capabilities of the food co-op and what they can do, what they can offer on a daily basis. Everything, they have the hot food case, they have the cold food case, soups and things like that for the customers. We've got the walk-in cooler over to my left. We also have the range. We have some of the warming elements back there. Also around the corner, which we can take a quick peek, you've got the commercial dishwashing system. All this was owner provided, but we had to coordinate where the hookups were. So when the equipment came, everything came together and we got it installed and up and running. Let's leave the kitchen, we'll take a look at the cafe. So we're in the new cafe area. Prior to the renovation, when people would come here and eat lunch, they would go out front. There'd be a couple tables, but now they have multiple tables. You could sit with your friends. People bring their laptops and can just really relax at lunchtime. Thanks for being part of this project and walking with me from the beginning phases to the end. We're really excited that we could be a part of this project and make such a good impact on the community.